So you all, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is finally back in Nigeria after spending 19 whole days in Europe. And guess what? He did not sneak in quietly. The welcome committee was on full parade, cameras flashing, people cheering, red carpet and all that presidential package thing. But wait first, could his return be coming shortly after Peter Obi sent that very strong message via his Twitter account telling him to come back home and face the problems we are dealing with here in Nigeria? Well, I won't say so much. Take a look at this video right here.
A Labour Party leader, Peter Obi, has urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to suspend his retreat in France and address the escalating insecurity in Nigeria. Peter Obi made the appeal in a post on X, highlighting the surge in killings and abductions, particularly in Plateau and Benue states during Tinubu's absence. His tweet reads in part, "In the 2 weeks you have been away, over 150 Nigerians have lost their lives to insecurity across Nigeria, especially in Plateau and Zamfara states. The repeated pipeline explosions in the Niger Delta further reflect a nation in distress. In the northeast, Borno state leaders are bemoaning the return of insurgency with troops and civilians being killed randomly. In the southeast, the story is the same, killings and abduction. Amid all these, the CEO of the troubling company called Nigeria is retreating far away land in France from company's headquarters. The primary duty of any government is securing the lives and property of its citizens, and one wonders the type of retreat going on in another country where peace has been secured by their leaders while blood continues to flow in our country. The fight for a better Nigeria is not about individuals. It's about ensuring that every citizen can see, feel, and benefit from the policies and decisions of those in power. I therefore like to urge Mr. President to quickly suspend whatever he is doing in France and rush home to take responsibility by addressing these disturbing issues. That is the new Nigeria that the nation seeks." I mean, that again is another strong opposition.
Anyway, the most important thing is the president is back and something interesting caught our attention. Prince Arthur Eze, the billionaire businessman himself, was seen literally following Tinubu up and down like an executive PA. So the tweet coming from Twitter says, like, what is going on here, my people? Could this be some kind of grand political gesture? Is he trying to show loyalty or maybe stake his interest in the presidency circle? Because it looks like he does not want to take last position. That man was just too close in every single video. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Was this just a billionaire supporting his president or something deeper happening behind the scenes? And as usual, we'll keep following up on all the angles for you. If you love gist like this, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video. We'll bring you back-to-back updates. This is Ebony People TV.